Today I'm going to make a quick video on this 2011 Ford F150. Alright, so we're pulling on the handle here and we're not releasing the seats. So I found a solution for this. We're going to go ahead and pull this off real quick, just like so. And that exposes two screws. They're way back here, right in that location. We're going to use a T20 to remove those two screws. After you remove those two screws, just go ahead and get this out of here. Go ahead and just work it out. There it is. There it is. It has two little clips right there. And this one here is broken. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull this like this. Now the seat comes forward. Alright, sweet. And that's how you fix that. What you can do is replace this whole bracket here. Let me see. I don't see a part number. Maybe right there. Maybe. I think maybe. Anyways, yeah, that's how you do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just release the seat, put everything back together, and never put the seat back up. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.